Hi, this is Harita from Mental Math Calculations Made Easy. Welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to solve questions from CBSE Class 9 chapter Heron's Formula. And in this video, we are going to solve exercise 12.1 from NCERT book. Okay, first question is, a signboard indicating school ahead is in the form of an equilateral triangle with side a centimeter. And we have to use Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. Second part of this question is, if the perimeter of the triangular board is 180 centimeter, then we have to find the area. Okay, so here the area of a triangle by Heron's formula is A equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here A, B, C are all equal to A. So S equal to 3A by 2, right? S equal to A plus A by 2, perimeter by 2, S equal to perimeter by 2, which is equal to A plus A by 2, and that is equal to 3A by 2. So substituting that here, we'll get A equal to root of 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A. What is 3A by 2 minus A? 3A minus 2A by 2, which is equal to A by 2. So we have this equal to root of 3A by 2 into A by 2 the whole cube, right? S minus A, S minus B and S minus C are all equal to A by 2. So A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2, which is equal to A by 2 the whole cube. So we'll get this as root 3. Now A into A cube is A raised to 4. Root of A raised to 4 is A square, right? Now 2 into, this is 2 into 2 cube, which is equal to 2 raised to 4. Root of 2 raised to 4 is 2 square, and that is 4. So we got this as root 3A square by 4. So area of this equilateral triangle is root 3A square by 4. Now that is this signboard. Okay. Now we have to find the area when perimeter is 180 centimeter. Perimeter 180 centimeter. So what are the sides? Since this is an equilateral triangle, the sides are all equal. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180, which means side of the triangle is 60 centimeter. So A equal to root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60. So this is equal to root 3 by 4 into 3600, and 4 will go in 36 9 times. So 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of this triangular board. Understood? Next question is, the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements, and the dimension of the wall is 122, 22 and 120 meter, and the advertisements yield an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square for a year. This was hired by a company for 3 months. So what is the rent they have to pay? That is the question. Okay. So we have to find the area here. For finding the area, we have to find the semi-perimeter, that is S. S equal to, what is S? 122 plus 22 plus 120 by 2. And that is equal to 264, right? 264 by 2, and which is equal to 132. Now A equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So substitute that here. Root of 132 into S minus A is 132 minus 122, which is equal to 10. Then 132 minus 22, which is equal to 110. And 132 minus 120 is 12. Right? Now, this is equal to root of 132 is 11 into 12. 11 into 12 into 10 into 11 into 10 into 12. In this, all these are occurring 2 times. right? So root of that is, we can take it once. So 11 into 12 into 10. And that is equal to 1320 meter square. So we got the area as 1320 meter square. Now the earning from this advertisement is 5,000 rupees per meter square, and that is given for an year. But the company is renting it for only 3 months. So we have to find the rent for 3 months. For that, this is 5,000 rupees for 1 year. That is for 12 months it is 5,000 rupees. So for 1 month what will be the earning? 5,000 by 12, right? So for 3 months what will be the earning? 5,000 by 12 into 3, right? 5,000 by 12 into 3, and that is equal to, this will go in 12 4 times, 3 will go in 12 4 times, and 4 will go in 5 1 time, then 10 2 times, then 20, so 5 times 1250. Rent for 3 months is 1250 rupees. Okay, so 1250 rupees per meter square. What will be the cost for this area? 1320 meter square. It will be 1320 into 1250, right? So cost equal to, total cost equal to 1320 into 1250, and that is equal to 16,50,000. Okay, so they will get 16,50,000 rupees as rent from this company. Okay, understood? So with this I am concluding this video. This is part 1 of the video from Heron's formula exercise 12.1. I'll be uploading the next questions from this exercise and other exercises in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like and share so that others can also benefit. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and feel free to do that. So thank you and bye.